Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your region of Valorant. And this is changing your region for actual, I moved to another region and now I need my region to be changed. Not I'm trying to basically trick the system into thinking I am in another area. So now that we know where we're actually at, here I am in the Riot Games launcher. And all you need to do is go to the top right corner, click on the little profile icon, and then you want to click on account details. And that's going to bring you to this page here. And we're just going to scroll all the way down and click on support. And then we're going to scroll all the way down on the next screen and go to submit a ticket. And we're going to choose Valorant. Okay, now we need to choose the request type on this new screen. And you want to choose this option here. Okay, for some reason it's saying I'm not logged in, so I'll just click on sign in. Okay, now they're going to ask us for the platform, and that's PC for us. Next up is the subject, so we'll just say change region or anything similar will do. Now we need to change this section here to account management. And then in the next menu, we need to change to region of residence, or yeah, that is what it is. Okay, now I see they have this option here for giving you the ability to do an update check. Give that a try, see if it works. I'm not going to do it because I am in the correct region. If that doesn't work, in the description, all you want to do is type in the reason why you want to change your region, aka I've moved, I'm in this region and so and so. You can add supporting documents if needed, and then submit your ticket. And then Riot Games will get back to you if your request has been approved or denied. And that's really all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.